Hey everyone, welcome. Welcome to the Journey to Leadership tour. I'm giving you a little tour today of the Journey to Leadership program. So you can really take a good view to see if this is a program for you. I want you to see how beneficial this could be for you to grow your business. So I just thought giving you a little overview of exactly what we do in the program will help you make a decision. So first of all of the modules there are 6 modules in the program for you to learn at your own pace. And they are in a program called Teachery, where you actually go in with your own password and you're able to look at each and go through each one of the modules at your own pace. Each one of the modules has like little sub lessons in them. So for example, we talk about designing your own plan. We talk about a focus on 50 strategy. I do time management, time blocking exercise in here to help you, how to generate new leads. I have a one notebook system that's extremely helpful for you to be organized. We talk about planning, and of course, hostess coaching is in this particular module. So in each one of the modules has, as I said, a lot of these little sub lessons in there. So the second module is about strengthening your party skills. And now we're totally focusing in on virtual parties because that's the way of the world right now. We've got to keep up with the virtual. Then we move into mastering your recruiting skills, where you actually get in the mail some specific little note cards for me on how to be successful with and be confident in sharing your business opportunity. I send a lot of little things in the mail to you that are very helpful. In Module 4, we really dive into team building and having a strong personal team. We work on team recognition. I am very big on recognition, helping you have a system in place so that you know that your team loves being part of your team with your recognition program. I have a whole social media module that I have created a social media grid to help you be consistent. We actually choose categories for each one of your Facebook groups, your business page, your Instagram, so that you know what you're posting and how you're posting consistently. And then in Module 5, we are moving into building relationships with love and understanding in your team. And that's a lot to do with the DISC program that I teach. And where then I share with you how to hold a team booking blitz so that your team is continually booking. So these are some of the modules and some of the trainings that and coaching programs that I have in here in the Teachery program. Now, also, I want to just open one of these to share with you what that looks like, okay? So this is the one notebook system that I shared with you. There's a video in each one of these trainings, along with all of these little, with handouts, lesson resources that you can download, and then information on what this is all about that shares with you, and more about all the other lessons that are in the program. Now, I've also added, because of what has been happening with COVID, I've also added, we are now doing training every month on what I call on-point training. So like for June, we were kicking off summer. I've been talking about how to get summer bookings, how to have a social media content plan for your summer and plan that out, how to have a summer recruiting program, how you are going to work with your recruiting personally and your team. And I'm big into the customer care. So you can see this is June. In July, we'll be talking a lot about personal recruiting and onboarding new recruits. August, we'll be preparing for the fall, and we'll move into each month has its own specific what I call on-point training. Because of what's happening in the world today, we really have to keep up with it. So that's what it's like when you come into the program. This is kind of fun for you to be able to choose what you want to learn for the week, learn it, finish it, and then we have our vibrant community in the Facebook group where everybody's discussing what they've been learning. Okay, so let me just share with you a little bit more about the program on my page that I actually talk about it, because we have three types of leaders that come into the program. I have people who want to be leaders, okay? I have a brand new person who just started her business who's in the program. She's working her Fast Start program. She wants to be a strong leader by the end of 6 months because she really wants to make this work. I have a new leader who joined this coming in the last 6 months. She's doubled her new team, and she's staying in for another 6 months. She wants to double again. I also have seasoned leaders in the program. Seasoned leaders are those who have really good teams, but they want to strengthen them. So they might want to go from a $10,000 or a $20,000 team to doubling it and creating more leaders. And then I have top level leaders who are actually promoting out leaders, and they want to really promote out stronger leaders, and that's why they're in the program. So I want you to be thinking about where you're at in your business in each one of those categories, because if that's something you're looking for, it can really help you grow your business. We start out with the first session where we actually do what I call a journey board. We map out your journey for the next 6 months. And so it's all about, these are the modules that I took you through, but it's all based on my duplication model, where I truly believe on having a strong personal team, helping that team duplicate with one new recruit, and then moving up to having what we call team leaders, or the first level of leadership. And this is a very strong model that I built my own $1 million team with. So that's why I love to teach it to others. As I said, this is our on-point training. Each month we're going to be talking about, August is preparing for the high season. September, we'll be having a strategy for the high season. October, we'll be maximizing the high season. And all of these different trainings are happening each month for you so that you're on point with what's going on in the world of direct sales. And I said, mostly what's going on in the world right now is we have all gone virtual. We are holding virtual parties. And so I also have trainings in here on how to hold a virtual party, whether it's on Zoom, Facebook, texting, WhatsApp. We are working on that together. So to sum up, basically, you're going to have these modules that are available for you to go in at any time. We have the on-point training. We actually do a mastermind call once a month where everybody gets online, and we have a topic. In July, we're talking about onboarding new recruits. We're really every month, this mastermind, when everybody gets together, is great because everybody's sharing some great ideas. And I have leaders in here from around the world, so different countries around the world, so you're really learning from each other. So if you're ready to stop procrastinating and move forward, now's the time. The June 30th, we're closing the doors, okay? Maybe you just need a little encouragement to take that action. Or maybe you need a little kick in the butt, okay? I'm known as a gentle prodder in my own team. So that's what I love to do, is prod you gently into taking action and getting results, okay? Maybe you need to get over some fears of asking for bookings or sharing your business opportunity. Or maybe you've just hit a plateau and you really want to move forward. Well, now's the time, okay? Now's the time. It's a great time. You have a great business. Most direct sellers already have a business. Most direct sellers know how to go online. We're just really tweaking this to make it more successful for you. Okay, so the other big part of this is my weekly accountability program, where every week everybody checks in with me on Marco Polo, and it's really helping my clients stay on task with achieving their goals. And they've got their journey board that they're following every month to hit their targets. Okay, so if you want to get serious about really growing your business and moving up the ladder of leadership in your direct selling company, it's time for you to join us now. The best part is the investment. It's $97 a month, which is actually $3 a day, just to learn how to be a strong leader and grow your business. That could be the profit from one of your parties every month. So let me know, okay? I'd love you to join the program. Just get on the link that I've provided for you in this email and join now. I'll look forward to seeing you on the other side.